Hello everyone, welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Andreja Premium by Quick Mill espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work, starting by replacing the heating element, the one that you see right here. And we also had to descale this machine because we did an overhaul for the e61 grouphead, which means we replaced all the little valves that you see right here that are located between the motion valve, the sauce valve and the lever as well. So we replaced all the little gaskets, make sure they were not leaking. Previously they were leaking a lot from the lever. We also replaced the gasket of the groove head as well as the shower screen, and you can see a lot of coffee buildup coming out in there. So there was a lot of coffee buildup all around the E61 groove head. We had to really clean it very well. And there was a lot of scale buildup as well from the boiler. We had to really descale it multiple times to make sure we get rid of most of it. So yeah, that's what we did, replacing the heating element, giving a good overhaul to the E61 group head, and a great descaling for this machine. So now let's test it out. Let's start with one shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right ground settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee builder dripping. As you can see, we're having a nice extraction coming out of the group head. Really good water flow. Excellent color of the shot. Should have tempered just a bit harder for the flow to be a little bit more smoother and for the shot to have better crema. But as you can see, this is a nice shot of espresso coming out of the machine. Working really great. Pressure of the machine itself, as you can see, working perfectly fine. Really good pressure, excellent temperature as well, as I'm warming almost my hand right here. Working really well. Hot water, excellent flow, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Andreja Premium working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.